Good day, listeners and viewers. This is L&DS from Kabala Senior Secondary School. We are here to present a poem titled The Dog and the Bone.
Bingo is my dog. It barks aggressively when there is no bone.
It lays heavy criticism when there is none, but rejoices and keep quiet when there is one.
No bone, it will keep on shouting, crucify him, crucify him. There is bone, now it is shouting, Hosanna.
In possession of bones, Bingo devoices the truth, neglecting other dogs without bones because it has one.
The level of selfish gain is climbing Mount Everest. Bingo chewing the bone of others and securing its own.
To secure its daily bread, it will not consider the well-being of others. It most often backs because it is not benefiting from the system.
Knowledge and truth our forefathers spread. The new generation spread liberalism. Are you Bingo that shouts, crucify him and later Hosanna? Be warned, selfishness keeps man blind through life.